Da-da-da! Season opening at Brands Hatch. We're here for Formula G Gymkhana. Formula G means Gymkhana. If you don't know what Gymkhana is, just put Ken Block into Google and you will know exactly what Gymkhana is. So, me here with His Almighty Highness Eden Young in his toilet. Oh, he's watching something. Hi.
I'm just making sure this fucking shit microphone isn't hard.
Yeah, we don't want any equipment malfunction. So, introduce us your chariot for the day. What is this?
So this is a Toyota Starlet that I acquired for free. It was destined for the scrapyard, and it was meant as a bit of a development vehicle for the business. But I've always wanted a Starlet, so we put a bit of TLC into the car. So it's a factory 1.3 S for 6. It's pretty stock, 140,000 miles on the clock. Owned by some old lady who had a Rottweiler or something in the back. You can tell by all the claw scratches. But yeah, we've serviced it. We've got one wheel which locks, so only one handbrake cable works.
Show us the handbrake. Show us the handbrake. Handbrake is sick idea. I mean, this is literally the definition of redneck engineering.
So I didn't want to. Well, I was meant to fit hydro. I'm not doing well. Didn't fit hydro. So this is my little solution. Is this little fabricated thing here. So you've got the MOT compliant removable. So you undo this knob down here. Now this knob pushes in the button that you usually press to release it. That locks it, and then you screw that in. It pushes the button in, and then obviously you got a fly handbrake.
Ingenious solution, isn't it? Ingenious solution. I'm sure somebody else came up with similar system, but yeah. So this is Eden's chariot for the day, 1.3 as he mentioned, front wheel drive, and this is my. You haven't seen the video of the reveal yet, and I'm pretty sure there will be video of the reveal yet. So why is it such a wide smoke from the exhaust? I don't understand. Anyways, doesn't matter. So we're here at Brands Hatch with Formula G. This is sort of a taste to learn how to Gymkhana. So it's not actual competition, even though after lunch we will have some competition runs and there will be a present for first or whatever, but I have no idea what to expect. Never really drifted around sort of cones. So today is going to be fun. Weather is looking to be promising. So yeah, very excited. So what is Formula G, you're probably asking? Well, Formula G, like I said, Gymkhana, it's kind of a hybrid event between drifting and auto solo. I mean, it's not really drifting because you're not really supposed to be drifting, but in effect you have an auto solo track with cones and figure of eights and all that sort of stuff, and you yank your handbrake and you help the car rotate around the thing. So right now there's demo runs. So here we are, this is what it is. So we're basically going to have some practice runs here, and then there is also a figure of eight section over there. So I'll probably do the figure of eight because I haven't driven them MR2 yet. But this looks really interesting. Right, so you've probably seen some snippets of this first ever run doing a double eight or whatever figure of eight. The main issue with me, mainly, I'm not used to this control, so I need to get used to how when you pull the brake, handbrake, to initiate the slide, then you sort of get on the gas. And I found that it bogs down, so as soon as I do that, and then if I just press the accelerator, it doesn't want to go anywhere. So what I found is that I need to clutch it. So more revs, clutch at the same time. But it's a lot of different controls that need to be done. And the steering wheel, it would definitely benefit from a shorter rack. There's quite a few turns, especially doing a figure of eight. You need to turn the steering wheel. So it's basically just a quick reaction of everything that's going on. But on the last runs, I think I've done quite a few sort of really nice figurines. The car wants to drift if you're in the right rev. It's really nice. Just need more practice. Let's do a couple of practice runs. Mr. Keys Fab. When I'm selling Vini, Rob is shouting. I don't know, I mean, this is definitely my favorite car now. So much fun, guys, honestly, so much fun. I mean, obviously in a controlled environment where you can drift and do all sorts. I'm getting better, I can't say I'm getting better, I'm getting a little bit more used to it, so at least now I can do like 2 or 3 8 figures and stuff like that. This one, I keep messing up the track layout, constantly going somewhere. But this is not really competition, so the goal is just to get used to the car. But what a cracking little car this is. Right, content time. Passenger rides. Let's professionals do all the talking, so to speak. This is your European, you're a champion, right? Street class champion, taking me out in this amazing MX-5. What's the rough figures? What horsepower?
No idea, because I've done everything myself.
No idea, we'll like that.
Maybe 160, 170 if I'm
So
lucky.
Nothing really.
Yeah.
We have a hydro handbrake. We have nothing else really. I assume you have a diff, hydro,
Stock
and
LSD, supercharger, tires, suspension setup and all that.
and lots of experience. All right, let's see. That's good. That's good. So that's how professionals do it. I have learned to learn. So all the practice sessions are done, guys. What a brilliant fun! Honestly, you need to try Gymkhana. Well, Formula G. Join it on 24th of March. They have another taster sort of session at SantaPod. I will be attending. But what amazing fun this is! You know, I'm ready to suck everything else off and just do that. It was just so much fun. Anyways, all the practice runs are done. I think my fastest time was like 29.3. That's not good enough for the first place, obviously. But right now we're gonna have time runs, and I think it's 4, 2 on each side, and the winner takes a prize, and the prize apparently free entry to any whatever of your choosing. So wish me luck. Richard Cash.
Amazing drivers, really good.